Welcome to the second part of my May sticker haul. I have a order from Jolly Sticks. These are just some extras that I ordered from kits that I have already got. And then these are all the freebies I've got. So I got sent some die cuts. And then a sampler from Plannerface, and then just these sticker sheets. I'm not sure if this is to go with one of the kits I ordered or it's just been thrown in, and I also have a journaling card. I ordered 4 kits. This is Flower Girl. I ordered the extra Fashion Girls. These are your boxes, date covers and functionals, some checklists, half boxes and small boxes, 2 more decorative boxes, and then a load of functional boxes. And then you have some glitters, a deco, and some scripts. Next is the coronation kit. This was supposed to be a kit for the king's coronation, but I thought you could use it for a picnic if you just picked the right boxes out of it. This came as one big bundle, so you do have 2 sheets of your decorative boxes. So I could use this if one week we have a picnic, so I can use that. And then you have a sheet of your date covers as well. This is the Hallow Petal Kit. It is very similar to the Flower Girl one, but the boxes have different designs. So I thought I would pick this one up as well. And then I would have extras and I could use it 3 times really. And then lastly, we have the Fright Night kit. This is a Halloween kit, but it has lovely pastel colours rather than your traditional horror and Halloween type colours. So that's it for this portion. This order is from Little Thought Store. This is 3 orders into one. So let's just get this out the way because it's the biggest. I did order myself an album to put all my kits in. You have 2 of the May sampler. Then I've ordered some scripts as well as just some little character stickers. And then the last order, I just ordered an Oops bag. I do have quite a few bits for this kit. Snowfall, and then the rest are just some extra pieces which I could add or buy the kits for. So that's this order. I have 2 orders to show you. I've got an eBay order and an Etsy order, so we'll get the eBay order out of the way. I ordered myself a Carpe Diem, but because I was so excited when ordering all my new planner stuff, I got A5 wide inserts, so they are slightly bigger, but that's not a problem. So I just have that planner. And then I have an order from Strawberry Lime Designs. Sorry, this isn't off Etsy, it is off their website. So from Strawberry Lime Designs, I ordered 3 kits, and I've also got these 2 freebies. So for the first kit, I have the resort kit. So you have your full boxes, date covers, 2 more boxes, and your half boxes, some bottom washi and more boxes, checklists and flags, and then I ordered the add-ons. So I have the Fashion Girls, some more boxes, glitters, and the bottom washi. The next kit I have is the staycation kit. So again, 4 boxes, date covers, half boxes, bottom washi, more boxes, weekend banner, checklists, flags, and then I also ordered some add-ons for this kit as well. So I have the glitters, the extra Fashion Girls, as well as the tall boxes. And then the last kit I have is the Retro Miami kit. And then this is in the same format as well. These are all mini kits, I think they were. And then I just ordered add-ons. So the add-ons for this one is the Fashion Girls and the glitter headers. So that is my order from Strawberry Lime Designs. I have 3 more orders, 2 are from shops and 1 is a D-stash. So I'll show you the D-stash first. I managed to pick up 2 Glam Planner kits. So I have this Christmas one. I don't know if I'll actually use it at Christmas or if I will hoard it. And then there is a load of extras as well. So there's a double box, some labels, the glitter headers, and some toolboxes. Oh, and those ones as well. Then I have this Galaxy one as well. Slightly different format because I think it's an older style. This has some extras as well. So there is a double box and some glitter headers. Then for shop orders, I have an order from Laura's Sticker Co. So that's the freebie and thank you card. And I just ordered a bunch of foil. So I got some summer overlays and then a bunch of different confetti headers, different coloured bottom washi. I got confetti and some bows, and then I also picked up the twinkle underlays in red and blue for my 4th of July kit. And then the last order I have is from Lily Blossom Designs. I ordered 4 kits. 3 are her magical mystery ones, which are Disney inspired kits. So does that go with? Yeah, that's just a little thank you. There is a freebie in there somewhere as well. So I have the Rapunzel one. You get 3 little stickers, and then this is the kit. So you get your full boxes, your bottom washi and date covers, some glitters, check boxes and some functionals, your boxes, And then these come with foil as well, so you won't be able to tell properly on camera, but this is a lilac sparkle. So you get some headers, the sun, some more headers, your overlays and the bottom washi. So that is the Rapunzel kit. And then I also picked up, these are all mystery, I didn't know what they were until obviously I got the order. There is then a Tinkerbell one, so you get these extra boxes, some deco, your full boxes, bottom washi, date covers and an extra box, glitter headers and some more functional headers and boxes, normal boxes, and then I picked silver foil to go with this one, so you get some overlays, some deco pieces and the bottom washi. When you purchase these, I purchased them through Etsy. I'm not 100% sure if she has a normal shop, but I purchased on Etsy, and you get to pick what foil to go with these kits. I then picked up, this is the last Disney one. This is just like a trip to Disneyland. Oh, these are the order freebies. And then this is the kit, so you get a double box, some extra Fashion Girl boxes, these ears, some bows, and then your boxes, bottom washi and date covers, glitters, boxes, some more washi, and then this is the foil. I chose this pink, but I wish that I'd chose a lighter pink now because it is a bit dark for the kit, but I can always put it with another Disney kit. And then lastly, this isn't a mystery kit, this is just a normal kit in a shop. So you get your full boxes, bottom washi and date covers, half boxes, full boxes, some deco and checklists, headers and glitter headers, and small boxes and an extra box. I thought this would be perfect for the foil mystery that I have got at the end of the video. Obviously I've kept it to the end because of it being a mystery in case people don't want spoilers, but that is it for this portion. I have a planner face order. I've got a few add-on bits to go with kits that I've already got, plus a kit I ordered, and then I have 2 oops bags. So I'll just go into the add-on bits that I ordered. So I have the May freebie, I have the Unwind glitter add-on, the Sunkissed box add-on, the Sunkissed glitter add-on, Happy 4th washi, the Happy 4th fashion toolboxes, the Happy 4th glitter add-on, and the Happy 4th box add-on. Then I will show you what the kit. So the kit I picked up was Lazy Sundays, sorry. It's because I got some freebie bits with some boxes on. So I picked up the mini kit. Then I picked up the glitter add-on, as well as these. You get extra, I think, with the kit. And then I ordered the Fashion Girl toolboxes. I'm not sure which is a freebies and which I ordered, but that is the Lazy Sundays kit. Then for the oops bags, I won't show you everything, but in one oops bag I did manage to make up 2 full kits. I just need to buy the add-ons. So I managed to make up the Prosperity kit. So there's the Tall Fashion Girls, and then these are the kit pieces. And another one I managed to make into a kit is the Cottage Witch. And then I also have bits, so I think there's enough for a 3-page mini kit that I will probably put into a D-stash. And then the other Oops bag is just full of like box sheets, and there's quite a few nice samplers in here. This is the October sampler. These boxes that go with one of the Christmas kits. This is probably from one of the kits. Tilly's PR sampler. I think this is the Black Friday freebie because it says BF on it. And then these little gamer stickers. And then everything else is just like extra boxes from kits. So there's stuff from Flowers, True Crime, there's some from Special Day, and the Bonfire ones. That's it for this portion. I've left this last bit to the end just in case it's a bit of a spoiler for anybody, but I have the Laura's Sticker Co. May Foil Mystery, so if you don't want to see this, that's completely fine. But this is the May Foil Mystery for Laura's Sticker Co. So I'm just going to get it out for you and then show you what you get. So this is a zoo themed one, and I think it's matte silver. So you get your overlays and some headers, some more overlays and headers. I think these are underlays, and then you get 2 other underlays, and then your bottom washi and some scripts. So that is the Laura's Sticker Co. May Foil Mystery. So that is all the stickers I've received through May. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give me a subscribe, and I do have my Instagram linked below as well if you'd like to give me a follow over there.